Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Khadeja. If you didn't know already, in today's video, as you can probably tell from the title, is going to be a COLOURPOP haul. So I posted a little sneak peek of this on my Snapchat and a lot of you guys were asking about the haul. A lot of you guys wanted to know how to order from COLOURPOP in Pakistan. So I really wanted to do this video, not just the haul, but how to order it in Pakistan, because my how to order from AliExpress video really provided a lot of information to you guys and helped a lot of you guys, so I figured I'll do this one for you as well. I'm going to be talking about all the payments and customs and delivery and how long it took, everything like that at the end of this video. But before that, I'm going to be showing you guys all the stuff I got. But before any of that fun stuff, if this video is your first video on my channel, then I would love if you could subscribe down below and hit the notification bell and like while you're there as well. And that's all. Let's just get started. Okay, so honestly guys, it's 4:15 a.m. and my head is pounding like anything, but I have to do this. I have to get this done for you guys, so I should get a like for this commitment. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. It says made in LA on top. This is my address on top, so I'm just going to really quickly flip that over, and it says COLOURPOP up here as well. And I got it very nicely packaged. It had like bubble wrap and like the styrofoam thing, and then we had all of this. So we have a little card that says COLOURPOP, and it says wishing you a lit year, because I ordered this on 25th of December and it came to me about 3 weeks later. Then I have this little booklet with, I think, looks. There's this whole like instruction manual type thing in which all of their products are mentioned and how you can use them and everything like that. But the real stuff is right here. I've tried their matte lip, as you guys have seen in a lot of my vlogs and in previous videos as well. I love their matte lip wiper. Let me just pull it. This is the one I'm talking about. This is super pretty color and it's just, I love it so much. It's in the shade Wiper again. Should I swatch it? I'm going to swatch everything else for you guys, but should I swatch this though? So I didn't purchase it from their website, but I got this from a local vendor. There's a shop in Hyderabad called The Brands and I got it from there. This is what it looks like. Eyeshadow wise and palettes wise, I got two palettes. This one is the Yes Please palette, which is supposedly the Natasha Denona Sunset palette dupe. I also got the Golden State of Mind palette. Now I got this palette for free because they had this offer going on of 40% off, and if you order for above $50, then you get this palette for free. So or above $40, I can't really remember. In order to get free international shipping, you have to order for above $50. I was ordering above $50 anyway. So I also got a concealer. This is their no filter concealer, and guys, if you're going to buy one thing from this haul, I want you guys to buy this, because this honestly is the best thing I've ever put on my face, concealer wise, anything wise. Basically, I just love it so freaking much. The only thing about this is that it does oxidize, so I would suggest ordering a shade lighter than your skin tone. I was eyeing the shade light neutral, but they didn't have it and it was just out of stock the whole time I was trying to order. So I got the shade medium, which looks pretty close to my skin tone. Like this will be a normal concealer shade on a normal day, right? Just spread it everywhere. But this does oxidize on me. This is what this concealer looks like. As you can clearly tell, it's a bit dark for me, obviously not good for under eyes. But this formula, you guys, I cannot rave about this enough. I love it so much. And I haven't been able to find this concealer on pages in Pakistan. Let me know if you have, because I would love to get my hands on the light neutral color. This one was for $6 or $7, I'm not sure, but I got this on sale. Everything was 40% off, I believe. And that was just a great freaking deal. It's just such a perfect concealer. It goes on under your eyes beautifully, gives so much coverage, and it does not crease, guys. It's the most beautiful concealer I've ever tried in my life, and it's perfect if you have dry skin. It's perfect if you have oily skin. Rida loves it. Rida has oily skin. Love it. Moving on from that, I got 3 lip products and I wanted to try each of their categories that I hadn't tried before. So I got one lippy stick. This is in the shade Brink. Just going to swatch it for you guys real quick. This is so smooth, guys. I can't even believe it. This is the shade Brink right here. beautiful. It's just such a perfect everyday color if you just want to put it in your bag and just take it everywhere, just touch up. It's not matte and it doesn't stay for long on your lips, but I think it's not supposed to do that. It's just very smooth and I think perfect for everyday. I would definitely use it every day. I am sure about that. So the next thing I have is this ultra glossy lip in the shade Finders Keepers. And this is what the shade looks like in the bottle and then on my hand. Their glosses are so beautiful, guys. I think you can see a theme with the sort of colors I like purplish, pinkish sort of colors. Since I got so many like deep colors, I wanted to get something very natural, and that's what this haul was mainly about, especially in the field of lip colors. But I ventured out a little bit and I wanted to try out this orange shade. This one I'm wearing is by ABH and this is in the shade Hudson. This is what it looks like. And I really like this shade, but the Anastasia formula I'm not a huge fan of because it does dry my lips out a little bit. But I really like this color and I think I'm growing used to it. That's beside the point. So I was looking for a peach color. So I ventured on and I got this color. No, Khadeja, no. So this doesn't look good on my skin at all. I'm just going to swatch it a tiny bit because I want to give this to one of you guys because I think you guys can carry this off better than me. This is the Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Jacquard. This is what it looks like. It just doesn't suit my skin tone. I don't think orange is a color for me. So I'm just going to keep this very, very safe for one of you guys and put it in a giveaway sometime. I'm just accumulating this giveaway for you guys, which will hopefully get to you at some point in life. So moving on to palettes now. The first one I got is Yes Please, as I said earlier, and it's just super cute packaging. It says cute AF and I'm sort of matching with it today. So this is what the colors look like. They're super beautiful, very warm toned, just super adorable. I'm going to swatch all of them and show you guys inserts, but the colors in general are very, very creamy. They're very, very pigmented. I don't know if I said, but the look I'm wearing right now is also created from this palette mostly, and the shimmer is from the other palette. I didn't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm so glad to have it. And also such an affordable palette because I feel like this is such a nice dupe for like Morphe palettes, because Morphe is obviously a very affordable brand compared to like obviously ABH and things like that. But obviously coming to Pakistan, everything just gets super expensive. So this is just a very nice option. Honestly, I don't know when I'm going to be using this yellow color, but I mean, it's there if I need it. So I think these shadows are really great for the price, especially considering the fact that ColourPop usually has a lot of sales going on. If you want to be updated with ColourPop's sales, I can inform you guys on my Insta stories if you want, and you can go follow me there on Instagram. I'll keep you guys updated. So anyway, this great buy, love it. And then for the fun part, which is the glitter, I use the Golden State of Mind palette, and this is a full shimmer palette, all the shimmers you're ever going to need in your life. This is what the palette looks like. You've got all your darker shimmers down here, all the lighter ones here, and all the medium golds in the middle. My favorite color is this one right here. So I'll get to swatching now. Right off the bat, the first thing I noticed was some of them are a bit chunky, some of them are a bit metallic. This color, as I said right here, you can see it looks a bit white, right? You're like, who is going to use white on their eyelid? This is what this color looks like. It's like a purple iridescent sort of a color, and this is what I've got on my face on top of my regular Wet n Wild highlight. And I think this looks so beautiful as a highlight. I just love it so much. It doesn't look chunky, it doesn't look shimmery. It's just beautiful. So I'm almost halfway done. I've done this row, and this is what the swatches look like. This is what the whole palette looks like swatched right on my arm. I'm going to show you guys a little close up. I stand on my first review earlier Some of these shades do feel a bit more creamy than the others. Some feel more chunky, some feel more metallic, and some feel more glittery. You guys have seen the swatches. You can decide for yourself. On my eyelids, got on Can't Stop and Uptight, which are these two right here. I have filmed the whole look that I did with these eyeshadows and all the things that I talked about today, and that is going to go up sometime next week, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so I literally finished off this video, did an outro, everything like that. And when I went to film in my vlog, I realized that I didn't even talk about the payments and how to pay and what customs I had to pay, everything like that. And that is how much of a mush my brain is right now. So firstly, I ordered from ColourPop through my debit card. Yes, I used a debit card. I use a HPL debit card. When it came down to delivery, I ordered on 26th of December, I believe, and they had this sale going on at that point. As I said, अपनी वीडियो में भी 40% off चल रहा था. मैंने तब order किया था, तो my order came 3 weeks later, and I messaged them and I was tracking the order the whole time. लेकिन वो order Islamabad तक पहुंचा था, and then it didn't move after that. It wasn't tracking. So I freaked out a lot and I was like, किधर है मेरा order? They were like कि हम international shippings में out of the US नहीं track कर सकते. So I was a bit freaked out by that और मुझे लगा कि मेरे पैसे ज़ाया हो जाएंगे, लेकिन that was not the case. Thankfully my order arrived the next day of making the complaints and everything. Not that उसका कोई फर्क पड़ा था उस पे, but they didn't even know. Also my lashes are off because I was going to wash my makeup off. तो मैंने अपना ऑर्डर किया. मेरा ऑर्डर तकरीबन 5800 का बना था. मैंने अपनी कज़न के साथ ऑर्डर किया था. Again, I'm going to say मैंने सेल से लिया था, तो उनकी अभी current price is more than what I paid for it. But I will link all links to everything जो भी अभी तक उनकी साइट पे available है in the description box below. और उसके अलावा with regards to custom, I got charged 45 rupees. 45 rupees is not that big of a price to pay, so I was perfectly fine with it. But I would suggest कि आप अपना order around $50 to $60 ही रखें, because I have heard that people have been charged customs जिनके orders above 60 या around $100 होते हैं, तो उनको customs ज़रूर पड़ते हैं. They offer free international shipping over $50. और अगर आपने $50 से नहीं order करना, तो you can gather friends and colleagues or family or anything like that and ask them if they want to order as well. तो आप easily उधर से भी order कर सकते हो, if that makes sense. That's basically all, I think, and I'm going to finally finish this video off. I'm really sorry for the glitch. Today's notification shout out goes to this little beauty right here. I love you so much and you are the best. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!